Okay, these are the treats that we got from the Dog Fun Day. These are all from My Pet Treats, home baked with love and absolutely no preservatives. The email address is www.mypettreats.com. So we've got Salmonlicious with poached salmon and poached salmon and parsley. Small bites. They did do them in different sizes for different dog breeds. We've got Calmalicious with cheese, parsley and chamomile. This is to calming effect. I'll be trying one of those later. We've got Pumpkinalicious, which is a little bit of a tongue teaser, with peanut butter and linseeds. So, we're now going to put them all out. You've got to wait to see which one. So we've got the pumpkin one just here. Wait. Pumpkin one. We've got the salmon one in the middle. Yes, we will. Wait. Having a sniff of them all, and then the calming chamomile one over here. Okay, go for your life, Roo. Not sure of the salmon. What about this one? Doesn't even want to sniff the calming one.
Not impressed.
Can we, oh, good God, we should have done this with my dogs. Really?
We may have to do this again with another dog.
Can I smell them? That's really crazy. They do smell like biscuits. Like proper. That doesn't smell of anything. Oh, that one smells really nice. Which one was that? This is the pumpkin one, wasn't it? Yeah, it's the pumpkin one. Smells nice. Are you sure? Can I not entice you, entice you to?
Okay, that's what Rue thinks of it. Right, we'll get back to you with the next dog. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. So, after the failed taste test with Rupert, we've decided that we're going to try them. I'm now not that brave about doing this. I'm not going to do that one. But I'm going to try the vegan one because this one actually smells quite nice. Okay, you ready? I've got like the stuff all over me.
What was in it again?
This is peanut butter and linseeds. Pumpkalicious.
Rue now is watching you very intently. You missed out, Rue.
Oh my God, it's really hard. Oh my God, it's really chewy. Doesn't really taste so much. Oh, now you want it. Oh. No, it doesn't taste of anything really. No.
Okay. Anyone else being brave?
No.
Okay. Just Verity then.
Yeah.
Don't eat now, you dropped
Holly said no. Holly said no. Laura said no. I definitely said no.
Try the salmon one. I'm not doing the salmon one because that's just going to be wrong. I might have to answer the phone.
Okay, we'll go for now. See you guys. Right, so trying it again. Same dog, so we'll see if we have the same results. Oh, he's already going into the vegan treats. Oh, he's still not sure about that one. What about this one, Rue? He keeps trying treats, but then is not sure when he actually gets it. I think he just has to take his time to realise if he likes it or not. I think we can all agree I just have a very fussy dog. Yeah, there we go. He's having a bite now. So, I actually think, the one he keeps going to is the vegan one, which is the Pumpalicious? Am I even saying that right? Pumpkinlicious, not Pumpkalicious. Do you know what? I just can't even talk today. So, vegan one, that's all I'm going to say. It has peanut butter and linseed in it. And actually, that's the one that Verity liked as well when she actually tried it herself. Yeah, I think we've got a winner there. What about this one, Rue? Nope. What about the salmon one? Oh yeah, he'll try that one. Okay, he'll go for that one, but he's not a fan of the calming one, which is a little bit annoying because that's the one I really wanted to try, since he's a bit of a stress head. So it seems he's not a fan of the cheese, parsley and chamomile bites. But he did seem to really like this one. So we're going to say that one's a success. This one, I think he knows I want him to try that one, so he won't. Yeah, he's gone back to that one again. Let me switch these up. Switch the position and then see what happens. Nope, straight back again. Okay, definitely likes this one. Yeah, that's the one he likes. Okay, we have a winner. Woo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.